Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my analysis of the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which says link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, if you've been watching my videos, you probably did have a pretty nice long last night on the pound yen. Unfortunately for me, it happened at like 3 o'clock in the morning, so definitely not an entry that I participated in. But yesterday I said that we are likely going to push up again, and if it goes to the 61%, turns down and breaks structure, that would make for a really nice short. But I said that it may not do that. It may actually push up to the 78% and maybe even beyond. I do have an alternative count on the very high time frames that would actually have this going all the way up and giving us a break of structure on the daily. But same thing applies that I said yesterday. If it goes up to the 78%, makes that pullback, makes a double top, then breaks structure, then that is a short for me. And that would be a really nice short because it potentially would be the end of a correction. But I would have to see this picture. A Fibonacci bounce is not good enough. You need to see a Fibonacci bounce. You need to see that 3, 4, 5 state that you see at pretty much the end of every trend. Then you need to see a break of structure. Then after the break of structure, you can start looking for pullback entries. But I would only be looking for shorts if I saw that because it could literally go up, bounce from a fib, go down, go up, go down, go up, and just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. Which is why a Fibonacci bounce is not enough to say that it's an entry. You need a Fibonacci bounce, you need a break of structure, you need to be able to identify the end of a trend for the wave C. If you identify the end of a trend for a wave C, you've also identified the end of a whole correction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.